Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to show you how we did our concrete backsplash. We used a company called Concrete in their text product, and we ordered the color gray. So we used a big bucket to mix the product together, and then we used smaller trays to mix in our water. Um, just mix it up until it's a pancake-like consistency, and then you're ready to go. We liked these two trowels the best. We preferred the metal ones over the plastic ones. We just found them a lot easier to manage with a smoother finish. So we used the smaller trowel to go in and do the edges around the ceiling and in the corners and up against the countertops. And then we went and filled it in with the bigger trowel. We were using the bigger trowel, but then Justin he stole my trowel actually, and then realized he liked using the smaller one better. So keep that in mind. I think it's good to have both. I kind of like the look of the bigger trowel a little bit better. But in any case, they look really similar. So yeah, it took us about 5 hours to complete the entire backsplash from start to finish. We just kept telling ourselves that it was easier than tiling, but the process really wasn't bad. It was a little bit messy, but other than that, just like a little bit tedious. We started to run out of light towards the evening, and as you can see, the concrete starts to dry, and while it's at this texture, it's a lot easier to go in and fix things. So we let it dry overnight, and it dried a lot lighter than it looked in the past videos, but we expected that because we did a trial patch on a piece of drywall before we committed to doing our entire backsplash. But yeah, we love how it turned out. The texture is amazing. I really, really, really love it. We got so many compliments on it, and we are so excited for you guys to recreate it, hopefully. I'll leave the links to all the products that we used. They'll be on the blog. But yeah, it's pretty easy. I hope you like this alternative to tile. Make sure to let us know what you think, and thanks for watching.